Okay. Okay. So let's start with the next project. That is, so we have a keypad. So this is my keypad. This is a 4x4 keypad. Okay. And first row, 1, 2, 3, A. Then second row, 4, 5, 6, B, like that. So that means from 1 to 9, from 1 to 9 numbers, then A, B, C, D, and then star, 0, and hash. So this is a 4x4 keypad. So this keypad will control this servo. For example, if I press 1, this servo will rotate, for example, say 0 degree. Then if I press 2, then the servo will rotate 90 degree. And when I press 3, the servo will rotate 180 degree. So based on the program we uploaded into this Arduino, and this is my input. This keypad is my input. So when I'm putting an input, then based on the program, this we will get a suitable output. When I press 1, the servo will rotate to 0 degree. When I press 2, the servo will rotate 90 degree. And when I press 3, the servo will rotate to 180 degree based on the program we uploaded. So I will start with the simulation. Start simulation. So here you can see the servo is, I'm pressing number 3. When I press 3, the servo is rotating to 180 degree, and when I press 1, servo is rotating to 0 degree. And when I press 2, the servo is rotating to 90 degree. Once again, when I press 1, it is servo is rotating to 0 degree. And when I press 3, servo is rotating to 180 degree. And when I press 2, the servo is rotating to 90 degree. Okay, so like this, you can control the servo based on the input. So I'm clicking the stop simulation, go to the code. So this is the code. So in the program, if I'm pressing the key, if key is equal to 1, when I press key number 1, when I'm pressing key number 1, the servo will rotate to 0 degree. My servo dot write 0. This means when I press 1 on the keypad, the servo will rotate 0 degree. Else, if key number 2, so if I'm pressing key number 2, what happens? My servo dot write 90 degree. That means the servo will rotate to 90 degree. And when I'm pressing keypad number 3, else if key is equal to 3, my servo dot write 180 degree. That means the servo will rotate to 180 degree. So based on the input and based on the program, you can change this angle. Okay, when you change this angle, the servo will rotate accordingly. So now in the program, I assigned 1 to 0 degree, and 2 to 90 degree, and 3 to 180 degree. Okay, it's a 4x4 keypad. Here I'm using only 3 keypads, 3 keys. If you want to use more keys, you can use more keys, and you can change the program accordingly. So go to the schematic view. This is the schematic view, and this is our servo. This is our servo, and we have power. Power is connected to the 5 voltage, and ground is connected to the negative, okay, minus, and signal terminal is connected to the pin number 10. So servo servo power is connected to 5 voltage, ground is connected to ground, and the signal pin of the servo is connected to the digital pin number 10. Okay, and in the keypad you can see row number 1, 2, 3, 4, and column 1, 2, 3, 4. So row number 1 is connected to, so row number 1 is connected to pin number 2, digital pin 2. Then row number 2 is connected to pin number 3. Row number 3 is connected to pin number 4, and row number 4 is connected to pin number 5. And column, coming to the column 1, so column number 1 is connected to pin number 6. Then column number 2 is connected to pin number 7, 8, 9, right? 7. Then column number 3, 8, column number 4, 9, and the from the servo, the signal is connected to pin number 10. So this is the connection diagram. So again, go to the list of items. So these are the list of items I used. Arduino Uno, then positional micro servo 1, and 4x4 keypad I'm using, and the quantity is 1. Okay. So once again, if I'm pressing 3, the servo is rotating to 190 degree, and if I'm pressing 2, the servo is rotating to 90 degree, and if I'm pressing 1, the servo is rotating to 0 degree. So try this project, try the simulation, try the connections, try the connection diagram and everything, try the connections accordingly, suitably, and do some modifications in the program and change the output. Okay, first you try the given program, and then you have to change the program and check the output accordingly. Thank you.